What is the result of this? So I'll be giving you 5 different questions, and let's see if you'll be able to answer each one in 10 seconds. So let's start. And the time is over. The correct answer is 46. 46 is the correct answer. Wait till the end. I will explain the answers at the end. So question 2, let's see. Can you answer this in 10 seconds? Time up. The correct answer is 27. Question 3. Can you answer this in 10 seconds? Time up, and the correct answer is 39. Let's go for the fourth question. Can you answer this in 10 seconds? Time up, and the correct answer is 59. And lastly, can you answer this in 10 seconds? Let's go. 3, 2, time up, and the correct answer is 26. So now tell me, how many did you get correctly? How many out of 5 did you get? So let's start with the first one. How did we get 46 for the answer? Let's see. We multiply before we add. So 4 times 9, this is 36. 36 plus 3, this gives 39, and 39 plus 7 gives 46. That is how we got 46. Did you get it? Let's see the second one. 5 times 7 is 35. 35 minus 5 is 30. 30 minus 3 is 27. And that is how we got 27. And to the third one, 2 times 2 is 4. And we are to multiply before we add. 5 times 7 is 35. 4 plus 35 gives 39. And now to the fourth one, 7 times 8 is 56. 56 minus 3 gives 53. And then 53 plus 6 gives 59. And that is how we got 59. And to the last one, 7 times 7 gives 35. 35 minus 3 gives 32, and then 32 minus 6 gives 26. How many did you get? Did you enjoy this? Let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next video.